Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Manas from the hospitality desk. After a long time I am making the video. So today we are going to discuss about in-room service, in-room dining. So how to take order in room dining, which is more important for everyone who is working in hospitality industry. For every hotelier must to know about how to take order in room dining, what all are the phraseologies you need to follow, what all are the phrases you need to follow for taking the order. So we'll see today, when guest is calling from the room or swimming pool or spa from anywhere, being as a room service order taker or RSOT, when you are taking the call, you must receive the call or answer the call within 3 rings. How many rings? Within 3 rings. Before 3 rings, you have to answer the call and you have to announce that very good afternoon, good evening, namaste, with your name. This is Manas in room dining. How may I assist you, Mr. Agarwal? So when the guest is calling, you can check the display of your telephone. There will be visibility of the guest room number and the guest name. You must take the guest name when you are announcing your name and from here where you are speaking and how may I assist you. You have to take the guest name Mr. and Mrs. Agarwal. So it will be like this. Very good afternoon, Mr. Agarwal. This is Manas from in room dining. How may I assist you? So that will be the phraseology. Next, you have to write down all the order on your order taking register very clearly. Whatever order guest is going to give you, maybe guest is going to give you one chicken grilled sandwich. You have to ask the clarification questions to the guest. Either sandwich will be in white bread or brown bread. Okay, and then you have to note down on your register nicely and clearly with timing and the room number of that guest and the guest name. So you have to note it down on the register. Try to suggest some other starter or some drinks or wine or some refreshing drinks, like, may I suggest you something from our local delicate food. So this is how you have to try to suggest to the guest. After noting down order, when guest has given complete order, then you have to inform to the guest, allow me to repeat your order, Mr. or Mrs. Agarwal. Again you have to take the guest name and you have to inform the guest, sir, your order will take around 30 to 35 minutes to reach your room. Would that be fine for you? You have to check with the guest that your estimate delivery timing, what you are giving to the guest, that timing is okay or not. Would be fine for you? You are checking with the guest. Guest will say yes. Then you have to say certainly, sir. Before shutting down the phone, you have to tell the guest, thank you for calling in room dining, Mr. and Mrs. Agarwal. Have a pleasant stay with us. This is much important. This is called closing phraseology. You have to inform to the guest, thank you for calling in room dining. Have a pleasant stay with us, Mr. Agarwal. The guest name, how many times you have taken? 3 times. When you receive the call, when you repeat the order, when you are going to hang up your call. So how many times you have to take the guest name? 3 times. So these all are the phraseologies you have to follow while you are taking the order. I mean room service order taker. तो आपने क्या सीखा है? ऑर्डर कैसे लेना है रूम सर्विस में. चलिए आइए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. ऑर्डर लेने के बाद खाना आप जब रूम पे डिलीवर करने जाते हो तो कैसे खाना डिलीवर करना है, वहां पे क्या बोलना है गेस्ट को. जैसे ही हमने रिंग दबाया है, गेस्ट ने डोर खोला है, क्या क्या बोलने वाले हो, व्हाट ऑल आर द फिजियोलॉजी ऑफ सी व्हाट ऑल आर द सर्विस फिजियोलॉजी इज देयर इन द रूम डाइनिंग. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर प्रेसिंग द बेल, whenever food is ready, you are going or standing outside of the room and you are pressing the bell. How many times you can press the bell? Max to max 3 times. And each bell duration has to be only 10 seconds. Not one time, second time, third time and finish the matter. You have to wait for it 10 seconds. If the wait for 10 seconds for the guest to respond. If still there is no answer, you are not recognized, guest is not opening the door, then you have to call in the room dining and you have to check either that room number is correct or not. If guest is inside, you wait until guest is not opening the door. Okay. Then when you are going, when you are there, guest open the door, then immediately you have to announce your name with warm greetings. Very good afternoon, sir. Myself Manas. Here is your breakfast. Here is your lunch. Here is your dinner. May I come in? You have to take permission from the guest while you are going inside of the guest. May I come in? Okay. Where would you like to place your order, sir or ma'am? You are with the order, that where you like to place the order, on the dining table, writing table, where? Offer with the open palm, sir, where I can place your order, and also after placing the order, offer to the guest for opening the beer, pouring the wine, okay, serving the food. You have to offer to the guest, may I serve, may I pour your wine, may I serve your beer, whatever it is. Okay. Next is, would you like to take anything else for you? Anything else, Mr. Agarwal? You have to check with the guest. Any further assistance? Would you like to take anything else, Mr. Agarwal? Then when guest will say yes or no, then when you are presenting the bill, either if you are presenting the bill with tab, you have to give the pen for on the tab signature, or if the bill is physically, you have to use the hotel pen and nice bill folder. Here is your bill for signature. So then what will happen? Guest will sign the bill, either tab or physical bill, whatever it is. Then you have to ask with the guest, what time may I come for the clearance, which is more important. So where you will understand, okay, after 30 minutes, after 40 minutes, guest will finish the lunch or dinner, then I will come for the clearance. Guest will say after 30 minutes, or I will keep outside, or I will call. Whatever it is, you have to note it down on your Aryan card, waiter card. Okay, don't forget. Next is, you have to tell, have a pleasant afternoon, pleasant evening, pleasant morning to the guest. Okay, close the door very slowly or carefully. Don't slam the door. Then slowly you come out. So these all are the procedures you have to follow while you are going to deliver the food in the room. I hope you all understand. सबको समझ में आया है रूम सर्विस में और रूम डाइनिंग में ऑर्डर कैसे लेना है एंड ऑर्डर डिलीवर कैसे करना है. ये दोनों चीज़ बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये सबको पता होना चाहिए. सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए हमारा चैनल को और बने रहिए हॉस्पिटैलिटी डेस्क के साथ में. कमेंट में बताइए और कौन सा वीडियो आप देखना चाहते हो. थैंक यू सो मच.